What do we got growing here?
Pink.
That's beautiful, huh?
Way lighter.
The red kale.
Yeah, bigger than the ones with
Carrots, dill.
This is right in the roasting zone. Oh, hey, let's go grab some carrots.
How big are your 2 grapefruits together?
Brand new tree, 2 grapefruits on it.
Are you more successful than that?
Welcome to Eat Your Backyard, my YouTube channel. On this channel, I help you integrate systems into your backyard that will serve both you and your family for years to come. So let's all explore the new possibilities and not just be the next boring yard. Let's go beyond our shores and explore the possibilities that are right in front of us. So please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified as new videos come out all the time. So let's see what's going on in this episode of EV Explorer.
That Jamaican cherry is looking real good. It's already taller than you. Look at those little bananas too, coming in.
I'm taller
We
than
grew
that.
those in the What You Got Growing On series. By the way, please hit the like button, thumbs up, and subscribe. Okra is struggling down there.
I think the roots are like popping out of the ground. A little.
Yeah. Whoa.
Where do you want to harvest your
Look at these things. They're getting bigger and bigger every day.
Oh, there's a good one up there by itself.
Really?
Yeah.
Fat one?
Yeah. See it? The lonely one.
The lonely mango. Gonna go get some carrots?
Yeah.
Good time to take a break from all that chicken coop building. Looks like these are dying, like they're done. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Wanna pick them?
Sure.
See? Oh, it's just they're just dry. Look at that little mini carrot. Yeah, they need water badly.
When's the last time you watered all this stuff?
I don't know.
Look at this. Big thing. Okra.
Whoa, okra. Ooh, I'll eat that right now.
String on it.
Ma. Yeah. Look at that. Nice okra. Mmm.
You still have the pine cone here?
Yeah.
I noticed that. Until just now.
Here, Jack, why don't we give these carrots some water? Grab those. The other carrots, I guess I already had water. Grab that pot.
Do they start to die when what Dad just did?
Yeah, they just need water.
Start to look.
But we got some carrots for the buns.
Hey, it's on the other one.
Put it under here.
Under where?
Under this floor. Yeah, you can just leave it there. Stop. Stop. Stop.
My food over.
Yeah, just let it sit there. Let it fill up with water.
Rinse off your carrots.
I rinsed off the rabbit carrots. you got there?
Carrots.
Baby carrots.
And this baby.
Not bad. The rabbits will like those. Let's give baby carrots to baby rabbits.
Yeah. Little baby rabbit. Baby lemons and baby grapefruit look
Nice little lemon.
Same.
The one that's bigger up there.
Yeah, that one's been like that for like ever.
Seems like there's a fair amount of lemons. They're kind of hard to see until they set in. The construction zone back here, Jack.
Yeah.
Chicken coop in progress. Hey, Thumper and Penelope. How you doing? It's a balmy 80 degrees out here.
Does not feel like
Hey, Penelope. She's in a mellow mood.
I just let out from for not too long ago.
All right, you want to see if Penelope wants some carrots?
Oh, don't start out with that baby. Okay.
She just woke up to the fact that it was a carrot. Well, maybe not.
Now she woke up to the fact that there's a carrot. Aw, I missed. For you to eat. 3 to who? 3 to... Secret's 5. So 1 gets 2, 1 gets 3.
Yes.
Who should get 3?
Whoever is more fun.
If you go up for this, you won't get it. It's like trying to catch a fish. Gotta go up for it. Oh, gotta go up for it.
If you let her get a chew of it, she would really want to do it.
Fine, I'll give you the 3rd carrot because you got a tiny one.
Alright, carrots for later. She'll definitely eat them.
These 3 tiny carrots. Usually it's a flaw in your system that comes over Thumper's cage, so it can still go through. Thumper!
bunnies are lazy. Thumper's exercised.
He was exercised. Thumper knows how to deal with a carrot. Yeah, I think Penelope's tired. Still on left to the carrot.
He's getting there.
He did it. He completed the ultimate task. Yummy.
Yummy carrots.
It's making me hungry.
You got one in your bowl.
Does he know that
He wants to play
there's a
sticks now.
carrot? Do you know that there's a carrot there? Okay, you found it, I guess. Get an excuse for having not that best eyesight.
Yeah, show the tricks. Show Thumper tricks.
We need tricks. What tricks?
He stands on his feet, back feet.
Good old tasty of it. I think you got the taste of it. I just trying to cut me. You can see his mouth. Fine. He always seems to drop. Wow, you had to do that? They made it look like the tiniest
Bit
carrot.
he bit the greens off to eat all the greens down. Look, he just woofed them down.
Down. It's a dry leaf.
Did you find that carrot in there, Thumps? No, you're just gonna chill. You're just laying down.
He lost
These
the
guys
paw.
are sleepy. As soon as we leave, they're gonna roll on their side and take a nap, I'm sure.
It's like his favorite spot when the water's dripping and it's a hot day.
Yeah, I threw ice cubes in the cage
Yeah, I
today.
know, I saw.
That's right. Keep our rabbits cool.
To keep you cool.
Alrighty.
Cherries.
My thumbs. How's the worm tea doing? Hey, actually, let's grab a bucket. I would go ahead and grab the turd bucket. It's down here. Put her under. Let's see if we got any worm tea. I don't think it has to be cleaned.
This one? No. This one?
Yes. Actually, lift it up and squish it around. Lift it up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Look at how it gets darker. That's the worm tea hack. Lift it up. There you go. Now
Whoa!
let's put the stick under it. You do it.
I get it up, but I don't get this.
You gotta have it right there.
Just can't do it with my hands.
This is. There you go. Ooh, that's some rich stuff.
The darkest we've ever seen it, probably.
That's a healthy harvest of the door worm tea. What are we gonna put it on?
Whatever needs it.
Yeah, it looks pretty wet in there, but we could probably water the worms pretty soon again.
Yeah.
Kind of overwatered them last time, and I hope I didn't hurt them.
Hopefully not. Whoa!
Woo! That stuff smells ripe. All right, grab that.
Yeah. Every little drop doesn't count.
Now let's go this way. I think I want you to pour it back in this banana grove here.
Yeah, could do that.
Yeah, pour it back in there. Right in here, because this is a new area I planted.
For all the babies.
Try not to get it on yourself. Yeah, where all the babies are, all in there. Yep.
What about this? That should help them.
I think that'll do wonders for those baby nanas. We should probably water it in too.
You should show them the 4-leaf clover.
Show the 4-leaf clover. Show. Yeah, we got 2 4-leaf clovers in this clover we got.
I forgot where the other one was. Here. The other one's just like to the side.
2 4-leaf clovers, amazing. Oh, and also look at that stuff. I got that. That's what they recommended over funky chicken. Yeah, hold it up. This is dynamite fertilizer stuff. It adds in the micronutrients into your plants that the bunny turds don't give you. It just completes the whole nutrient spectrum.
So worm tea.
Yeah, and then a little of this. And that stuff lasts 6 months, they say. You just put a teaspoon on plants or vegetables or whatever, and it stokes them up. So we'll give it a go.
Maracas.
See how it works. See if it's true, you know.
That's what you call maracas too.
But it wasn't that expensive. It was like $8 or something. All right. Got any cherries still?
Cherries? Yeah.
Pick some cherries.
You'll have
Oh, did you see chocolate pudding fruit tree? It's got fruit on it.
Wait, really?
Yeah, look
Oh
at this.
wow. Yeah.
And you
right
can
on
see the
loaf.
flower of the chocolate pudding fruit, which is really weird looking.
Yeah.
Get in focus.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. But then it forms these fruit. Like, that's one that's set. There's another one that's set.
There's still some green cherries.
We trimmed that tree way back and used all the leaves for composting.
That one's nice and dark.
Ooh.
Well,
My.
oh.
Yummy. Nothing like walking around in the food forest. Making cherries. Hey. Any tomatoes?
Which kind?
Seminole.
I see tomatoes, yeah, on the pole. I see tomatoes on the pole. I see actually a lot of tomatoes on the pole.
Give me some of those tomatoes.
How many do you want?
All of them.
All of them?
Man. All the ripe ones. Man, do we need a container? We do, don't we?
Oh,
Let me see some. Let me try them. See a couple.
there's 3
Nice.
more. Some of them have them halfway down. Just tap them. Dropped one.
Man, these are really good. Real cherry tomatoes. Had a lot of success with these. Growing these in Florida.
Smells like spinach back there. No, it's the tomatoes.
This is the most delicious cherry tomato I've ever tasted. Again, I got this over at Funky Chicken. There's lots more. I ate all those. Go pick the rest.
Some of them are orange.
Down the bottom. That's alright. Pick those two, the orange ones.
Here's your collection of tomatoes. I'm just throwing out. Edward still has his
Still one mango on the Edward mango tree.
Is this your year? So you'll finally get a mango from
Check out our coconut. Our green coconut. Starting to perk up. Papayas. Well, alright. I think it's time to head in. Hey, if you're not already subscribed, please do. Pretty soon, the baby chicks are moving out to this hen house. I'll have it done in a few days. I'm going to also post a video on the complete build, how to, and experience. Oh, what fun. Thanks for watching. Eat Your Backyard.